Hello, in front of me I've got Realme 8i. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. Firstly, open camera and let's begin. We've got photo, video and night. Then in more we can use text scanner, 50 megapixels, movie mode, pano, slow-mo, time-lapse, portrait, ultra macro, Pro mode, and the last one is dual view. Now, in photo mode we can zoom, use Google Lens, or use beauty mode. Then we can turn on flashlight or set it auto. Also we can use autofill. Next we've got HDR, off on auto, AI and filters. Then you can change brightness level, and turn on tilt shift. You can also change aspect ratio or set timer between 3 and 10 seconds. In video mode you can also adjust beauty mode, change quality, add filters, ultra steady mode and flashlight. Let's go to settings. In settings we can turn on or off watermarks, we can adjust volume button action, enable or disable shutter sound, and location. In composition we can add grid or diagonal lines to photo and video. Also we can adjust level. In advanced we can turn on or off flip selfie and quick share and edit. Also we've got shooting methods, video encoding and restore to camera settings. In photo settings we got similar options, and that's basically it for the camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.